Hello everyone, this is Suchishmita from Skyy Rider Institutions, and today we have Unmesh Sadashiv Mawalkar with us with his valuable feedback to give to others as well as the students who are confused and wanted to join courses to upskill themselves. Hello Sadashiv, Unmesh. Can you give us your brief introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself, Unmesh Sadashiv Mawalkar. I am from Buldana district. I completed my graduation in 2022 from Met Institute of Engineering, Nasik, uh, in electrical engineering. I, I just placed in Tata Technology as a graduate engineer trainee with 8.75 LPA.
Understood. So you have done a post-graduation program in hybrid electric vehicle, and currently you have been placed in Tata Technologies as a graduate engineer, trainee design engineer. So how
Yes.
was your experience so far joining Tata Technologies?
My till experience is good because as a fresher, I I don't think I am placed in Tata Technology, but with the help of Skyy Rider Institute, it is possible for me.
Understood. Understood. So how did you come to know about Skyy Rider Institutions?
Yes, ma'am. I am connected with Skyy Rider from last 3 years. During pandemic, during when pandemic is occur, I connected with Skyy Rider. I do I done with lots of workshop just like electric vehicle, battery technology, electronics, electronics steering, and lots of. From that, I consider if I am not getting place from my college, then I go through Skyy Rider and getting placement.
Understood. So it is wonderful to hear that you have been connected with Skyy Rider for the past 3 years, and you have been doing certification courses, workshops, attending webinars as well. So, how were the faculties or trainers here at Skyy Rider?
It was a great experience as a participant of Skyy Rider. We learned a lot of things in a details manner. The mentor was good supportive throughout the course, and it was a more interactive session rather than a normal way of theory classes.
Understood. Understood. So, how was your experience with the training program at Skyy Riders as well?
As the experience, mentor helped me in a good situation if because as a fresher I don't know a practical knowledge. We have only theoretical knowledge. If I have any problem, then mentor come come with me and they solve my problem easily.
Understood. So, you said they are very helpful. They have been
Yes,
really
ma'am.
helpful to you during your problem solving. There any difficulties during the training?
Yes, ma'am. Because starting as I am starting just a course post graduation in a hybrid electric vehicle. About a electric vehicle, I know only little bits, but as a mentor guide me, they give training, good training, so I learn lot of things from that.
Understood. So, how did this training program or help you to gain skills or industrial knowledge, which in turns helped you to get crack your interview as well?
Yes, ma'am. Because most important project, ma'am. Because as a fresher, we don't know about project, but if you are go through project, you learn lot of things in project. We learn industrial knowledge from that.
Understood. Understood. What would you suggest to someone who is going for an interview? What are the skills required to crack a job?
Yes, ma'am. If we are going to interview, first most important thing is communication skill. Second thing is soft skill and aptitude is very most important. And if you are go through your interview, your nature is very good, must be very good.
Understood. Okay, so yes, that is really important in terms of having a communication or soft skill
Yes, ma'am.
is really important apart from your technical skills as well. So, how was the placement support here at Skyy Riders when you were interviewing for Tata Technologies?
Yes, ma'am. Placement support is good till now because mentor call me when a drive is happen. They call me if you are eligible, you are coming or not. Then I go through. Then mentor help me how to do preparation for interview. That's it.
So, what would you suggest? What would be your message to someone who hasn't joined or who is looking for doing courses? And would you suggest others to join Skyy Rider as well?
Yes, ma'am. I suggest Skyy Rider Institute is very good institute in India because from my if from my placement, lots of guys, lots of connection in LinkedIn. They connect with me. They ask me about Skyy Rider. I I told her I tell her Skyy Rider Institute is very good institute in India for in core sector. If you are getting placement from them.
Understood. So it is really great to hear from someone who has been following Skyy Rider for past 3 years, and it is a pleasure that we can offer you courses, we can offer you webinars or workshops where you can upskill yourself, and
Yes, ma'am.
you thought of getting placed by us as well. So thank you so much, Unmesh, for joining us today. So
Yes,
would there be any last messages you want to give to others, working professionals or students?
yes, ma'am. Working professional and students. Yes, I suggest them if you are if you are interested in core sector, then must be go through Skyy Rider Institute.
All right. Thank you so much. And yes, we are also providing placement supports into core sectors, and we train them. We train them so that they have good technical skill as well as communication skills as well.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much, Unmesh, for joining us today.
Thank you, ma'am.